स्टूडेंट्स, इस लेक्चर में हम आपको बताएंगे कि हाउ टू फाइंड मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन ऑफ पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। हम पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं। जैसा कि आपने पढ़ा है प्रीवियस लेक्चर में कि वी नो दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन ऑफ पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज गिवन बाई पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू r vary from 0 1 2 3 and so on, and which is equal to e to the power minus lambda. Here lambda is a mean. In previous lecture it has been defined. Lambda is here mean, and lambda to the power into lambda to the power r upon factorial r. So moment generated, since this is a discrete type distribution, so moment generating function about origin is given by m0t. By the definition of moment generating function, m0t summation r vary from 0 to infinity e to the power tr pr. Here in place of r x we have taken r because of this probability distribution depend on only r. So now this is r is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power tr, and in place of pr we will put e to the power minus lambda to the power r upon factorial r. So by arranging the term, since e to the this summation is only base depend on r, now with respect to r e to the power minus lambda is taken as a constant. So now we will take common from the summation. So this goes outside of the summation e to the power minus lambda. Summation r is equal to 0 to infinity, and this e to the power tr and lambda to the power r collectively written as lambda e to the power t to the whole to the power r upon factorial r. So after putting the value of r is equal to 0 up to infinity, and to open the summation, we will obtain by putting r is equal to 0 we will obtain 1. By putting r is equal to 1 we will get this. By putting r is equal to 2 we get this. So as we have learned about this expansion, this is the expansion of e to the power something, because of, as we know, the expansion of e to the power x is 1 plus x square upon factorial 2 plus x cube upon factorial 3 and so on. So now we can write in place of this expansion we can write e to the power lambda e to the power t, and e to the power minus lambda is already written here. So now m0t moment generating function is equal to, here both base is e, so base is common. Now power will be added, so e to the power t minus 1, because of lambda is common in both power, so lambda can take common. So now this is the moment generating function of Poisson distribution. So with the help of this moment generating function we can find the variance as well as mean. So now by the moment generating function we can obtain the mean. So the moment about origin, nu1 by differentiation method, nu1 is a first derivative of this moment generating function. So moment generating function at t equal to 0. Now in place of m0t we have written from this equation 1 we can write e to the power minus lambda into this. So with respect to t, e to the power minus lambda is again constant. So now this goes outside the bracket of the bracket, and now differentiation of this be e to the power lambda e to the power t. The differentiation is e to the power lambda e to the power t into lambda e to the power t. By putting rt equal to 0 we will obtain, by putting t equal to 0 this power becomes 1. So e to the power lambda and e to the power 0 becomes 1. So lambda e to the power lambda, this becomes e to the power minus lambda is here e to the power minus lambda into e to the power lambda is equal to e to the power lambda and e to the power minus lambda both neutralize to each other. This becomes e to the power 0. Now lambda e to the power 0, this becomes e to the power 0 becomes 1. Now the mean nu1 is equal to lambda. So we can find, in this way we can find the mean of the distribution lambda. So similarly we can find, in similar way we can find the second moment about origin, that is nu2. Nu2 is the second derivative of moment generating function m0t at point t equal to 0. So in this way, after differentiating this and this, we obtain such type of expression. So now at t equal to 0 we will obtain this lambda e to the power lambda plus e to the power lambda, and now e to the power lambda and e to the power minus lambda neutralize to each other. Now after multiplying lambda inside the bracket we will obtain lambda square plus lambda. This is nu2. This is the second moment about origin. Now with the help of first moment about origin and second moment about origin, we will obtain the variance by using this relation mu2 is equal to nu2 minus nu1 square. So now nu2 is equal to nu2 is a lambda square plus lambda minus lambda square cancel with lambda square. This becomes mu2 is equal to lambda. It means variance is lambda and standard deviation is a root over lambda. So in this way we will obtain the variance as well as standard deviation with the help of moment generating function m0t. So our next content is recurrence. How to find recurrence relation for the Poisson distribution. As we know that PR is this, we have learned PR, probability of Poisson distribution, is defined like this: e to the power minus lambda, where lambda is the mean, into lambda to the power r upon factorial r. So for r is equal to r plus 1, this becomes this. Now this after simplifying this, e to the power minus lambda and lambda to the power r, this is lambda to the power r into lambda we can write, and factorial r plus 1 can be r plus 1 factorial r. So this is the value of PR. This is the value of PR. So now in place of this we will write, we can write PR, and now PR plus 1 is a PR plus 1 is equal to lambda upon r plus 1 PR. This is the recurrence relation of Poisson distribution. By using this we can find the different probabilities with the help, the next probability with the help of previous probability. So in the next content we will solve the problem based on Poisson distribution. So today's this lecture you have learned that how to find moment generating function by using Poisson distribution, and how to find mean with the help of moment generating function, how to find mean as well as standard deviation as well as variance, and how to define the recurrence relation of Poisson distribution, which is PR plus 1 is equal to lambda upon r plus 1 PR. Thank you.